Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV, and it's 3-valve Wednesday. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on this 05 GT. It's red with red interiors. Only got 49,000 miles. We installed a NOVI 2200. It also has some other mods. Doug's with me. Let's go check it out. All right, this is a manual transmission car running 93 octane. Like I said, we installed our NOVI 2200 package. We're in Indiana. We can install that here. It's a turnkey package. It comes with a calibration. We can ship it right to your door. Doug, come down here, take a look. Has some cool parts on it when it showed up. So I had the Ford Racing manifold and Ford Racing throttle body. We call that the Power Up Kit. We sell that. Also had a set of shorty headers and a set of Lopey camshafts. So the NOVI 2200 comes in about just over 10 pounds of boost. It's intercooled. If you have questions about it, I will put a link in the description. You can just click on, read a lot more about it. Check out this dyno pull. All right, I got to think about something. So the 2200 is intercooled. A lot of you might not want intercooled. We also have a non-intercooled version. It's called the 1200. I'll put a link in that as well. But all these kits come with 47-pound fuel injectors, boost to pump, Kohler spark plugs, proper calibration. Doug, take a look. DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5. Rear wheel horse 493 coming in at 6,500. Torque comes in at 417, peaking at 6,000. Nice graph across the board. Boost is hitting 10.8 right at 6,500 RPM. So here we have it. 49,000 mile 3-valve. We still get these cars in all the time, and most of them have low miles like this. I'm gonna put some videos at the end of this you can click on. Maybe you've got 120,000 miles, maybe more, maybe a little less. You wonder, is that too much to do like what this guy did right here? No problem, I'll put a video about that, as well as how much power is too much power on my 3-valve. I'll put a video about that as well. Subscribe, notify, stay up to date. We're in Indiana. You can email quote@brenspeed.com. What's this cost to get installed, or check out our website. We can ship it right to your door. Thanks for watching.